Never before has life gone through such radical change. Industrialization has paved the way for the informational age. An army of machines and factories work sleeplessly to fill our needs. Electricity moves them, and microprocessors imbue them with a sense of purpose. Every 2 years, their processing power doubles. This marks a meteoric and unparalleled rise from out of the ground that sprung us, out of the cold and away from the turmoil of this chaotic and dangerous world, ignited by the fire of intelligence, propelled beyond horizons and through the atmosphere to space. To behold as gods this earth that birthed us, these stars that nourished us, and this miracle of creation. Never before has our destiny been so firmly planted in our hands. What power we wield, what secrets we've unraveled, and hard truths we have unearthed. So fast we fly, dangerously close to the sun, gaining momentum, losing control, and straying over the edge of what this planet can endure. There is not a single soul on Earth who wouldn't scream out for us to stop if it would save us. But we are traveling so very fast and still have much to learn. Our way of living is unsustainable in so many ways, yet these limits remain recent discoveries, and it takes time to change. In the short term, we have done quite well, but over time, it has become painfully apparent that this Western way of life is failing us. Entire ecosystems are on the verge of collapse, and nobody knows what happens next when the vast majority of wetlands have been scraped away to make space for cows to graze. The soggy soils, water-loving plants, and purifying microbiota no longer cleanse away the sins we flush downstream. Our kidneys fail us, and when the last of the rainforest collapses, think that they would whisper, everything's connected. There is no denying it. Sustainability is an absolute in every way we move. If we want the future to be human. There are so many problems, yet there are solutions to them all. And our technology is formidable. Just imagine what we will create once we work together. But there is an inner movement that must happen first. A world-centric shift in human consciousness from myself to my people to my planet that has to happen first. It is a natural progression. And until we make that leap, our efforts are divided, while the need for unity as a civilization has never been more dire. A human is a whole, yet a part of a larger whole, and society is a reflection of its individuals. The wellness of one is the wellness of all. And our collective emotional, physical, and psychological state of being can be seen in the ways we touch this world. Shift is happening. Universal income, healthcare, education, and equality are making their way into our world. We are beginning to understand that the most valuable resource we have is human ingenuity, and that once properly supported, we will be able to reach higher and see further and give fuller than ever before. An abundant world has so much more to give than one that is made to be impoverished and scarce. We do not need to control each other any longer, For we have a common purpose of serving this earth and bringing it back into balance by undoing the damage we've done. And once we move as one, these apocalyptic problems that we face shall fall away at a miraculous pace. Give all that you have, all that you are, and through that giving you shall be fulfilled. I think of no other force more unified than this collective fight for our survival. The quest begins within this moment, and the future is yours.